This video lecture is of medicinal chemistry, antiviral drugs. First of all, we have to see the structure of virus. There are various other types of virus, but prototype structure of influenza virus, we can see here the structure. In this, we can see this is the nucleic acid. This is the nucleic acid present in the innermost shell of the virus, which may be DNA or RNA. Here in case of influenza it is RNA, and this nucleic acid is present in a capsid, and both of these called as nucleocapsid. And there is outer membrane which is called membranous layer. This is the membranous layer, and in this there are hemagglutinin and neuraminidase are attached, which are the viral protein, and one is RNA polymerase. Here we can see there are the DNA viruses, which may be pox viruses, that is the smallpox, herpes virus, adenovirus, papilloma virus, and it contain DNA which is double stranded DNA, or maybe a small number of single stranded DNA. DNA viruses that enter the cell nucleuses and direct the generation of new viruses. And if the nucleic acid present is RNA, these are influenza virus, measles, mumps, cold, meningitis, poliomyelitis, retroviruses like AIDS, leukemia, and adenovirus. This contains single-stranded RNA, basically ssRNA, and the RNA virus do not enter the cell nucleus. RNA retroviruses uses the viral reverse transcriptase to make a DNA copy of viral RNA, which is then integrated into the host genome. These are the types of viruses. The virus may be single-stranded, RNA that may be contained in tobacco, mosaic, bacteriophage, poliovirus, maybe single-stranded DNA, that is the parvovirus, maybe double-stranded circular DNA, which is the polyoma virus, double-stranded RNA, reovirus, single-stranded circular DNA in in M13 Psi174 bacteriophage. Double-stranded DNA also present, which may be in herpes virus or T4 bacteriophage. These are the types of viruses. Here we classify the animal viruses with their DNA genome. These are the virus families and their capsid shape, envelope present or not present, and their size, DNA present. If present, then what kind of DNA is there? These are the DNA lane, and these are the example. This chart indicate the classification of RNA in same manner. These are the structure of various RNAs: pox virus, T virus, adenovirus, HIV virus, influenza. Here we can see the HIV virus structure. In this, the innermost is reverse transcriptase enzymes, some P7 and P9 enzymes, integrase enzymes, and ssRNA are present, which are uncovered by this hexagonal capsid. And over capsid there is a layer which is called as P17. This layer you can see here, P17, and over this P17 there is envelope. This is the outer covering envelope, and on which in this envelope there are GP120 and GP14 proteins are there. Here we can see the integration of this HIV virus into host cell. First of all, there is adsorption process takes place, and after this there is immersion and ejecting of the nucleic acid. Here we can see the RNA which are ejected by the virus, and this RNA in presence of enzyme reverse transcriptase make DNA or RNA hybrid, and after then ssDNA in presence of reverse transcriptase form the double stranded DNA, and in host cell this double stranded DNA goes into nucleic acid, and with the help of integrase enzyme, and then form more and more RNAs, and these polyproteins form a budding structure which finally convert into GP174 and makes the budding process easy. And after this, every RNA form a different virus, and thus multiplication of viruses takes place. These are various stages of attachment, penetration and uncoating, integration, duplication, and synthesis and assembly of nucleocapsid. This is the history of which antiviral drugs these are the names of antivirals, and these are the trade names and this year in which they are launched. These are the reverse transcriptase inhibitors. The process, the enzyme which useful for multiplication of RNA or DNA is reverse transcriptase, and if we inhibit this enzyme, then we can go through as antiviral property. These are the drugs like zidovudin. This is zidovudin, lamivudine, abacavir, stavudine. These are agents which can be useful as reverse transcriptase. Then these are didanosine, 2-3- dideoxyadenosine triphosphate, zalcitabine, adifovir, tenofovir. These are very useful reverse transcriptase inhibitor. And these are non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors: etravirine, rilpivirine, dapivirine. This is the history of virology, in which year which vaccines are developed. For example, in 1892, first virus identified, tobacco mosaic virus, by scientist Ivanos Sky. 1898, first animal virus identified, foot and mouth disease virus, by Leffer. First human virus identified in 1901, yellow fever virus, by scientist Reed. These are the history